If you're one of the millions of people who keep waking up in the middle of the night just to pee again and again, my friend, this message is for you. So many seniors tell me, I drink too much water, maybe it's my medicine, or it must be my age, my bladder is getting weaker. Yes, these things can play a role. Medications, diabetes, prostate issues, sleep trouble, or simply the natural changes that come with getting older. But today, I want to share something simple, natural, and often overlooked. One powerful mineral that silently controls some of the biggest reasons you keep waking up at night. That mineral is magnesium. Magnesium does far more than most people realize. It's involved in over 300 reactions inside your body, from helping your muscles relax, to calming your nerves, to regulating your stress hormones. And that stress hormone is the real troublemaker here, cortisol. When cortisol rises, especially at night, it can make your body produce more urine, weaken your bladder control, and make you extra sensitive to even small amounts of bladder filling. That's why you wake up suddenly, even when it feels like your bladder wasn't that full. But magnesium supports your body in lowering cortisol naturally. When cortisol goes down, the bladder calms, the kidneys slow their urine production, and your whole system settles into a deeper, quieter sleep. High cortisol is the hidden reason so many seniors struggle with nighttime urination. When stress, worry, or even long-term fatigue raises cortisol levels, your kidneys start pushing out more urine, trying to regulate fluid balance in your body. That's why some people feel like they're running to the bathroom all night long. But magnesium gently lowers those stress signals, supports your adrenal glands, and brings the body back into a restful state. It relaxes the nervous system, softens the tension in the bladder muscles, and reduces those sudden urges that interrupt your sleep. Magnesium also works on a deeper level by helping balance electrolytes, the minerals that control fluid movement and kidney function. With enough magnesium, your bladder muscles contract smoothly and hold urine more comfortably. That means fewer interruptions, fewer sudden urges, and more uninterrupted sleep cycles. Magnesium also boosts GABA, the calming neurotransmitter your brain uses to quiet the mind at night. When GABA rises, your body slips into deeper sleep more easily, making you less likely to wake up from minor bladder sensations. Your food and hydration habits matter too. Eating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains earlier in the evening, not right before bed, gives your body enough time to absorb the mineral. And reducing heavy drinking too close to bedtime helps lower bladder pressure naturally. When you understand how magnesium, cortisol, and your urinary system are connected, you gain the power to make small lifestyle changes that bring big improvements to your nighttime rest. Elevated cortisol truly is the biggest thief of peaceful sleep. When it spikes at night, your kidneys pump out more water, your bladder becomes jumpy, and your mind stays half awake waiting for the next urge. But when magnesium lowers cortisol and relaxes your whole system, your bladder becomes steadier, your sleep becomes deeper, and your nights become far more peaceful. Magnesium also calms the nerve signals that control bladder function. With enough magnesium, your bladder is less reactive, less irritated, and better able to wait until morning. Restorative sleep comes from having long, uninterrupted sleep cycles, and magnesium supports exactly that. It strengthens your bladder control, balances electrolytes, and keeps your body in a state of calm through the night. When your magnesium level is stable, your whole urinary system works more efficiently, and the frustrating nighttime bathroom trips slowly begin to fade. Most adults need around 400 to 420 milligrams of magnesium for men and 310 to 320 milligrams for women. Getting it from food is always best, but supplements can help when needed. So my friend, if you want deeper rest, fewer nighttime interruptions, and a calmer bladder, pay attention to your magnesium. Stay hydrated during the day, but don't drink too much water right before bed. Give your body several hours to settle, and let magnesium help your bladder, your nerves, and your sleep finally work together instead of against each other. Magnesium is simple, natural, and deeply effective, and it may be the missing piece in your nighttime routine. I truly hope this message helps you sleep better tonight. Please share this wisdom with someone you care about, and leave a comment below to tell me where you're watching from. And as always, my friend, make it a peaceful night and a beautiful day ahead. Golden Rest Guide.